runs around so fast and tough. He jumps and plays so full of cheer, chasing his tail far and near. The little duck goes quack, quack, quack. She waddles along and comes right back. She swims in the pond so round and bright, splashing and paddling left and right. The little cow goes moo, moo, moo. She chews on grass as cows do. She stands in the field so calm and slow, under the sun with a gentle glow. The little bird goes tweet, 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 flying so high on wings so sweet. She flaps in the sky, up and down, singing her song all over town.